Will AI steal your job? Probably not. But the person sitting next to you using AI, thoda possible hai. Picture this. Two experts, same marketing agency, same client brief. Arav opens some 15 tabs, research, draft, rewrite, repeat the process again and again. 4 hours later, a really solid campaign. Maya, she opens AI, gets 5 campaign directions in 10 minutes, picks the strongest one, adds her own ideas, humor, strategy, the human touch, everything. Done in 50 minutes. And not just one campaign, 3 options, 3 taglines, mood boards, everything. Same job title, same salary, very different output. 6 months later, the company downsizes. They don't need 2 experts anymore. And this is where everyone is asking the wrong question. Will AI replace humans? The real question is, will humans using AI replace humans who refuse to do so? And honestly, in many offices, it's already happening. It's not about talent. Arav was obviously not less creative. It's something psychology calls the status quo bias. Our brain's obsession with saying, but this is how I've always done it. Because changing your tools feels weirdly personal. If AI helps me write, was I ever actually good? But using Google didn't make you less intelligent. Neither did using calculators destroy mathematics. The game changed, that's all. The people who survive big changes are usually not the smartest in the room. They are the most adaptable. Psychologist Carol Dweck calls this a growth mindset. The ability to say, my methods can change without my worth changing. Because your real value was never typing fast or making PowerPoints manually or writing first drafts from scratch, right? Your value is judgment, taste, ideas, strategy, human understanding. AI can generate options, but humans still decide what actually matters. Maya didn't become less creative because she used AI. She just stopped spending hours on a part a machine could help her with. She spent more time on the part only she could do, and that's not replacement, that's leverage. So maybe the better question is, which part of my work is deeply human, and am I spending enough time there? Because that is the part AI cannot take, and that's where your irreplaceability lies. So what's that part in your work that no AI can replicate? Name it in the comments, because knowing that answer is the most important career move you can make right now. Save this and share it with someone you think needs it.